Hi there, my name is Niels. I'm with KLOTZ. We're here at the KLOTZ booth, German manufacturer based in Munich. We're showing at the ISE in Amsterdam our new range of HDMI cables. Basically, it's not a copper-based cable, but a fiber-based active HDMI cable that can run 4K video with 60 Hertz over up to 100 meters. And that cannot be done with any copper cable. We have basically two different versions. The installation version that comes with a rather slim HDMI connector, and the super rugged and armored rental version. It comes on a wheel in 150 meters. And that's basically the eye catcher of the booth, what we're showing here this year at the ISE in Amsterdam. My website, or the website from KLOTZ, is www.klotz-ais.com.